So sick. So sick.
Like popped out and stuff like that, and has to break his car.
He's got an engine attached to his turbo.
Here we go.
They gave me 16 to total it, but wouldn't pay 10 to fix it.
I'll take a GR86 Cup car any day. Compete in their Cup Series. Absolutely fantastic.
Regular maintenance store.
Oh yeah. Here we are at Autobahn Country Club with the GPS track times. I'm super stoked. Our one and only track day for the year, and I'm excited to be back. The track, I don't know what happened. I was setting up, so Advance was out there, but looks like something must have happened because nobody's running right now. I couldn't hear over the intercom because they're not very clear. But I'm guessing something happened. But we're back and I'm excited. I've already done everything I need to do. Tire pressures are set, lug nuts are checked for torque. That's really it. We're gonna first do our warm-up session, which I'm not gonna really record because I'm not gonna go fast. I'm just gonna warm up. So, but we'll go from there. Bunch of great cars here. I'm definitely going to be in the way in intermediate, not because I'm not confident in my driving, but because I just know this thing doesn't have enough power for the weight, where for instance that S2000 and Miata over there are going to easily keep up if they're in my class, or pass me and then some. I'm going to be in the way for sure, but I'm still going to go out there and have fun. Here coming in clutch, getting us these shims for the battery, since this doesn't seem to be clamping down good enough, although it looks like it didn't move, but I also wasn't going hard that first 2 laps before we got kicked off, you know. So there's that.
I gotta loosen it a lot.
Yeah.
Super bitch.
Too big.
Take the screwdriver right over.
Well, fuck me.
That would be a bad day. There you go.
That's about as on as it's gonna get. Definitely solid. Definitely solid.
Don't go too crazy.
Well, okay.
If you break the
Session 1 is over with because 2 reasons. One car, BMW black 2-door, looked like an M3. I could be wrong. Looks like the V8 M3. Decided to fishtail it and end up in dirt like an idiot. Like I said, warm-up lap. Stop being a hero. You're not. And then looks like a Subaru Legacy had some kind of technical issue that pulled over. So I don't know if the black flag for everybody, because this was an all black flag, which means everybody gets in and loses their session essentially. Yeah, I don't know if it was because of the dumb BMW or if it was the Subaru Legacy. Probably the Legacy, but regardless, you're not a hero. This is HPDE. This isn't your rental to test your car. This isn't like, stop being stupid. Use the warm-up lap for what it is.
I just wanted to see who it was. I didn't know you were driving Mark's car.
Yeah.
I was like, I don't remember this car.
Yeah.
All right, cool,
He
cool.
lets me jump
All
in
right.
there. I appreciate it. huge thanks to Mark for letting me drive his Celica once again. Finally got a full session in. That was tons of fun. I got pulled out of the session because Jimmy, the guy that runs GPS Track Time, was like, who is in that car? So that was a little fun, but great car. This is, if you don't want a Honda Civic front wheel drive, you go with this. This is amazing.
Damn, all this work for 0.1 second faster?
Hey, just, I gotta catch on camera, you are a legend.
I know I am.
And I
Sid,
I greatly appreciate I greatly appreciate you letting me drive that awesome machine over there. So thank you.
No problem, man. Anytime. I want to have the people know what I have to work with, and my foot's on the floor.
I mean, yeah, to be fair, you know, when the guys are fast, the guys are fast. They just have power, so that's, you know, but that thing will corner like nobody's business.
Go to third. Yeah. And that's impossible. There was too much braking. Breakage on turn. That was good recovery though. Hey man, you know, that was fucking.